I hope my sound is clear. I want to thank you guys that are encouraging me right now by giving me your beautiful faces. You all look beautiful. And for those who think their faces is not mine to see, God bless you too. What? All right, the market is crying red right now. You know, I told one of the educators yesterday, there's a circle in the market. I'm going to look at the market, but I want us to trade a bit of binary. Let's see first before we go into Forex. What's so 9:13, there's going to be news 10 o'clock. There's going to be news 10:30. Euro is going to have the Italian retail sales. All right, so let's see if we can catch our two or three markets before that time. So the market is saying AUD is strong right now, JPY is weak. So Euro AUD is going to be selling, Euro AUD is going to be selling, while AUD JPY is going to be buying. So we're going to go to AUD JPY and see what we can scratch from it. Crazy, guys, crazy. Man, I'm already tempted. All right, I'm already tempted to give you guys a trade on Euro USD. All right, so for those of you that know how to take notes, okay, of trading, I can't see this opportunity in front of me and not want to take this opportunity. There's no strong price action around this area, but there are strong price action around this area. So you guys can put it, okay. This is Forex right now, it's not binary, okay? You see here right now, around here is 50%, which connotes exhaustion, and define price action area ceiling. The market will always repeat what it has done. And also, all right, when the market is trending down, it will set the previous floor for downtrend. So because of the news, this market went somewhere. And if we go back in time, you guys are going to see where this market went to. All right. So, but that's not for now. But one thing I can tell you is everything I'm looking for in this market right now is telling me this market is going to sell. Everything I know about trading, all right, is telling me this market is going to go back up. Everything I know, everything. All right. It's telling me this market is going to go back up. Here we have a very strong zone, which is B factor. So here and here, crazy. If you want to go light risk, the market, this is a break. The market retest this area. If you notice, that was where I was looking at a break retest, but the market never did. But now finally it has broken. If you guys see a retest around this area, all right, that would be a short sell. But I feel this market is going back. This is a very powerful back pattern. Okay, so yeah, I take that out of the way. I just tried to flex my muscle a little bit. You guys know I know, right? You guys know I know stuff, right? It's just that I don't expose them to you, because why? The things that really got me ahead are not based on the things. You see, sometimes people can teach. Let me be very honest. Sometimes people learn just to add. It's just like CV. It's not in the amount of CV you have that makes you money in the job place. Maybe I'm wrong, but is it the amount of CV you have, or is based on the result you produce when you're working? That's what brings value. Is it your CV that brings value to you, or your work? Your results. You guys talk to me. All right. So there are things I know. I learned when people were paying attention to things that will make them money. I was paying attention to CV, what I can know in the market. So I can guarantee you guys, I know stuff. But I checked my life in trading. What are the things that really got me in trading, both in binary? They are the simple stuff. Simple stuff that I can relate with, anybody can relate with, something I can easily teach without even being professoric. These were the things that made me money and got me results. So I'm not the one who's going to come here and make you guys feel I know a lot of things to just make you glued to me to want to learn those things, because at the end of the day, I'll be leading you astray. All right. So let's take that out of the way. I love simple things. So I believe this market is going up from projection, but I don't know what it's going to give you an intraday trade. So if the market comes here, reject, which is a confirmation, and holds a sell signal, all right, there's going to be a sell. And you guys can see that I have a sell signal here. So there's going to be a sell here. 30. I've avoided the 15 minutes timing on binary. I'm going for 30. So before 30, I'll give you guys a trade. But it's important we will understand the market. When there is a bearish, right? When there's a bearish momentum like this, wait for 50%. After renews, market will do 50. Most times rallies of 50%. So that's why I love here more than here. Here, I'm going to take a chance on it. All right. So, and why am I going down? This market has broken this low. That shows something, right? Eventually, this market broke this low. So this is a lower low than this. So it means market has trended back down. Low, 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 created a low. So it means the next move, all right, is going to create a lower low. So if I put a market here, I'm going to expect market to come down somewhere around here. So that's another way to get a bearish move. Okay, a bearish move. So I'm looking forward to that. So I just said it so that you guys, it's recorded. It's just that you guys are so fond of staying in the process without practicing the process. You know, I know our video recording is not automated, but there is something about me that would, you know, after every training, I would just, hey, please, can you send the recording? You guys don't do it because you're not interested, and it's okay. But this is recorded anyway, so you can come back and listen to the instruction. So this is the two parts you guys watch out for. And you guys think it's work, that's why you're not doing it. And I understand, you think it is work, but this work is just like learning the high-paying skill. It will pay, all right? If you know this work, you're never going to be broke. So that's not a pair, that's not a price trap trade. This is it's on Euro USD, right? So three currency I'm always going to be focused on right now is GBP, JPY, Euro USD, USD, JPY. These are my fundamental currencies I'm going to be focused on. So we checked the sentiment earlier. Let me switch. AUD is strong, so AUD, JPY. Let's go look. So Euro, AUD, AUD, JPY. AUD, JPY, where are they? AUD, JPY is supposed to buy, right? What trend is this? 1 hour is saying downtrend. Daily downtrend. So already this is a no-go area. All right. 15 minutes downtrend. So I cannot, it's not yet ready. All right. So let's look at Euro AUD. I hope you guys understand this in a jiffy. I don't have to stress this. So Euro AUD says I should what? Sell. All right. 15 minutes bullish. So, because sometimes 5 minutes is bearish, but let's check 1 hour. 1 hour is bullish and daily is what? Bullish. So are we supposed to trade this market for yourself? You guys talk to me. You know, if only you see, how am I going to put this? I'm about to hit you hard right now. Okay. Okay. Let me check for something else. I'm loading the shotgun. Okay, so this actually was in the hospital. Is it back from the hospital? It was in the hospital yesterday. I was not alive. All right. So right now, AUD is strong, confirmed. Euro, it was back. It was receiving treatment. Okay. USD, what other pair? What other pair? What other pair? AUD USD, is it going to be the same? Let's check. AUD USD. I believe it's still bearish. Bearish, daily, bearish, 1 hour. So that's already a red no. Bearish 15 minutes. I'm scanning the market to see if there's a possible trade that falls in trade opportunity. If there's an opportunity in trade. So USD JPY is going to be bullish. I believe so. USD JPY is going to fall in a bullish environment. So let's go check USD JPY. It's going to fall. USD JPY is in bullish. All right. So I hope that cost of USD JPY is bullish. Okay. Though I don't know. There is a disagreement. There's a disagreement. All right. There's a disagreement. USD JPY, there's a disagreement, so we have to be very careful. But I'll look at it anyway. Because this guy is bullish 15 minutes, is bullish 5 minutes, is bullish daily, 1 hour, and is bullish daily. So one thing I do know is this. Let me get the strong areas. So you can do after me. It may be slow. What's time? 23. I'm going to chart the market to get the strong areas. How do I get the strong areas? I take the week, the body. So you do that. All right. Week and body of the previous candle. After that is done, you see this space here? We are buying, right? So I just can go back in time and see where the market bought from here, sold and bought from here. So this is the body of the buy. Okay. And I just have to look out for areas. So the market bought from here, this area. So there's buy reaction upward. You can take the week or the body, however. Okay. Either way, those are actions. You guys got that. Put in 5 if you got that. That's how simple it is. Okay. So now I do know that I breached the gap between here and here because something is too far. All right, it's too far. So the next thing I do is I go on 1 hour. So I do know that if the market comes here, there's something that is going to happen. But the market may not come here very, very soon. Okay. But what thing the market can do, since it's done this, means that's my 1 hour bullish area, means the market is buying these areas right now. Okay. And if it doesn't do this, I'll come back to another area. I bought the 1 hour. So it bought it here or here. Okay. So that's beautiful. So this is daily. This is 1 hour area. So the next thing, you can take the up as well because market may go up. That next place is going to buy. I go on of 15 minutes. I'm doing a simple charting class for you guys right now. Hope you guys are understanding it. That's how to chart the market and know where you want to buy. So on USD JPY, it's presently hit a 15 minutes area right now and it's bullying up. Okay. But if this market refuses, I now know where I'm going to trade this market for a buy. 2 areas. Okay. Market breaking this. So this is your trade in USD JPY. Since it started buying, the next buy is to break this, come up here, come back here, and pick here. That's the next price action. Or it's going to reject here, which is a connotation of a downtrend. All right. This is what's going to start happening. Are you guys getting it? So watch out for this. So if it rejects here right now, it's creating new structures. But if it doesn't reject, it's going to break, retest. So you buy here. Okay, that's the next trade on USD JPY. Either it breaks here or comes back, rejects. Just touch here, comes back, reject, and comes. So this is the next buy area on USD JPY. Is it simple and understandable? Let me know in the chat. So I could tell you guys right now, 289, 258 to 290. It's a buy. So I'm putting it on our binary chart. 258 to 290 area buy on USD JPY on timing. Trade is valid as long as USD is stronger in strength than JPY. 5 minutes expiration. Beautiful. You guys got that, right? At least you guys got the area. I can only tell you what's going to buy. This is where I'm going to buy from. Okay, so if it breaks here, that's going to be on your discretion. If it breaks here, you're going to wait out for the market to come back here. I'm not talking break here, immediately break here, come here, then you buy. No, it's wrong. All right. It needs to break on momentum, then exhaust. So when you see your stochastic, so I'm giving you guys the parameters to know how to trade these by yourself to get stochastic. You see your stochastic at green, which is 514.3. I think the settings is default. So get stochastic. Okay. Just put it here. So we believe the market come here right now, we're going to be green on it. I'm going to take this board. As long as USD is stronger than JPY. Yesterday we had 5-0 on binary. How many of you go up? What was your score yesterday? I was only able to take one, but we had 5-0. I woke up and I saw money, and I was able to catch the last one on CHF JPY. But every analysis I gave to you guys, all right, played out till the strength changed. So what I'm giving you here right now, question is, are you the one who only trades here? Or you are the one who learned how to take these areas when you get every 15 minutes, check it. All right. It's money. Okay. It's money. Stop leaving thousands of dollars on the table. It may be $10 for you right now, but that same skill is going to make it thousands of dollars. Just learn how to take data and keep it. All right. Any question on this? Can I ask a question? The process I used to get this trade for you right now, was it simple? We checked the sentiment, and I saw USD was stronger than JPY. So I have to align the trend, and I found out that the trend was bullish. So the next thing, okay, let's go technical. Then I charted the market from daily, week body, just found that areas where it has bought before and just put the lines there. Okay, I moved that to 1 hour. I did the same thing in 15 minutes. And the next thing we got this area. And I'm telling you right now, this is the next. So the market has bought this area. All right. The next area is here. How easy it is after that here. So as long as USD stays strong, these two are valid. All I need to do is what? When time comes, just wait here. All right. When time comes, I just wait here. Are you going to load? So you can put an alarm on TradingView, or you can put an alarm on your broker. So on one prime option, okay, for those of you that are not now on pocket option, you can now use limit, but it's not too good to use limit because market may change dynamics. All right, why is it showing green? I didn't take a trade. Is that an alarm? Okay. So all you need to do is come here, all right, USD JPY. You make sure that your time is on what? Regular option. So this is USD JPY. So what I can do right now is I can come in here and put an alarm at, what's the area? 290 what? 290. So I can put an alarm. Just come here, put an alarm on 290. Boom. Okay. Well, it took 280 something though. 290. Okay. So I have an alarm on 290 already. So it means if the market comes here, as long as my system is open, it's gonna do. All right. You're gonna alert me. So if you're someone that is working, just maybe put your system around, just let it bing. Okay. Or if it's trading view, it's going to send you an email. It's going to alert you. You have your notification on your email. Put your notification on email on trading view. Boom, it will alert me on my watch. It will alert me on my phone. All I need to do is, if I was making a conversation, please, can you give me 2 minutes? I just go there, just check. Switch to my broker on my phone. All I need to do is click buy as long as the strength aligns. You could 2 to 3 minutes. You could check the strength. You don't just go there and dive into the trade. All right. Don't just go and dive. You have to check the parameters, cross-check. Is the strength? Does it align? Is it on timing? Okay, check your risk. Make sure you're always checking this guy. And check your time. Are you taking 5 minutes or is it 45 minutes? So you always have to check that. For some of you that are new here, so we have to wait for this guy to come. You guys should check. I need you guys to check right now. Since I've done this, you guys should check your currencies. Which currencies align with trend that we can look at? Which currencies? I've done USD/JPY. You guys should check. Any other currencies I'll take from you. I'll do it out. So you guys check. Okay, but I'm just seeing USD/JPY right about now. Okay, so you guys bring another one. CHF/JPY. Okay, CHF/JPY should be bullish. CAD/JPY should be bullish as well. NZD/JPY should be bullish as well, but I don't trade those guys. So CHF/JPY is bullish, 5 minutes, 15 minutes is bullish. Oh boy. Yes, bullish 5:15, 1 hour bullish, okay. Daily bullish. All right, so hold on, let me see. So all these are areas from yesterday. Can you see how this market rallied out our area yesterday? Okay. It came here, played out. So these were first the areas we gave. Can you see how this market was so humble to play out our areas? Came here, played out on timing, came here, played out, came here, played out, came here, played out, came here, repeated the play out. All right. And eventually changed strength. Now, in the sell, it's also selling those areas. Can you see? Where is it selling? It's selling the areas. So I do know that now that this market has come bullish again, the next area, you don't even have to take a trade. The next area, this market has to go up, come back to this area to buy. All right. Or it comes back down, maybe repetition. Okay. So let me see. Let's take this off right now. But you see how credible this charting could pay you? Let's get the daily areas again. So I know I have 2 set up for you guys. So since JPY is weak, there is a floor on the daily. Floor weak. All right. Can see how I got that previous candle. This is a floor 1 hour. Okay, so the market should be reacting from here. After here, all right, we should start seeing next option. If this market breaks this neck, we may be seeing a downward movement. So here was a very good pivotal area. You can see how it aligned with this slings of 15 minutes bullish, and it's making its way up. So what I should be seeing in this market right now is next price action. This price goes going back into this area up, okay, that would be a good show of price action. Or if not, it's going to test this area again to go up. That would be 925 area. So CHF JPY, I'm going to be looking closely at the 925 area if it's ready. All right, 925. So between 904 to 925, we're going to look at that. So I could pull that out. Whenever we're trading binary, don't bring GBP into the equation. Okay. 904 to 925 by CHF JPY 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to watch out for a buy on that market around here. So let me put an alarm. I believe it's going to be aligned. I'm sure it will be aligned when it comes to this area. So if it align, when I say align, what does it mean? Stochastic is at its base. We are on timing. Okay. And yeah, CHF is stronger than JPY. That means the trade is aligned. Any question on this? So these are two trades I'll be looking at. So all I need to do is come on my broker and CHF JPY, where are you? Okay, you're here. So 905. I can put it on 907 so that it alerts me before time. So that's about there. So the next timing is in 6 minutes. Any questions so far? So there is another option. Some of you, see, these brokers are easy. What you need are 4 things: the currency, the area you have to trade, what you have to trade, is it a buy or a sell, then the time. These are 4 things that you need to copy and paste. 4, currency, time, how many minutes, all right, the area you have to trade it, then what are you doing, is it a buy or a sell? Put 4 if you got that. So this is how to select the currency. You see it there, search it out, you find it, put the currency on map, put it, the moment you select the currency, put it on start. If you're always trading that currency, so it's always there when you click on favorite. Okay, then the next thing is your time. This is where you select your time. If it's 5 minutes, you see it here. Now this is 5 minutes on the clock. So now time is 9:40. Maybe you are in the US right now, it's 3:40 a.m. Okay, you will see it. It's there. It's calculating your time. So it means if you want to take a trade for 5 minutes, all right, you select when it's going to close. It closes every 5 minutes. So if I take a trade right now, it's going to close at 45. So let's say I want to buy this market right now. I'll click buy. All right. If I click buy, it means it's going to close at 45. So let's say I click buy right now. You're going to see it. It will close at 45. How many minutes remaining? 4 minutes, 6 seconds to close at 45. I've bought this market to close at 45. So if the time is 9:42, okay, and you put 5 minutes, you think it's 5 minutes. You just said you saw 5 minutes here, 9:45. No, it's going to take the trade for 3 minutes. Like this trade took me for just 4 minutes, something seconds. It's timed. Does that make sense? So there's another option. So you always want to watch the time. Close of the candles are always best. Or let's say you now want full 5 minutes. You now take the next time. After 4:45, it's going to be what? 9:50. So if we're waiting for timing trade, is 9:50 is going to close. So you can put 9:50 there. So it means if you take the trade now, it's going to run for about 8 minutes. Does that make sense? Put 5 on the chart. Then another option is, I'm just breezing over the options. Some of you don't know. There's an option of a rollover and there's an option of a duplicate. What does duplicate means? I'll double my trade. It's double up. I'm adding the same trade. I'm adding an option of the same trade, same price, same expiration, duplicating my trade. Does that make sense? That's what double up, duplicate, repeat your trade. That's what it means. Put 5 if you got that. Then there is the option of rollover. Rollover is an option of buying you more time, but it doesn't appear unless you are in deficit. Your trade is in negative. And it's a quarter of your time. So let's say you take a trade for 5 minutes. Around 1 minute, if the trade goes below 1 minute, you cannot roll over anymore. It gives you 1 minute to expiration to what? Click on rollover, and you can only roll over when you're negative. Does that make sense? All right. So this trade is in profit right now. I cannot roll over. That's why you don't see the rollover option. But I can duplicate the trade. And duplicate just means same as the previous one. Just duplicate it. Okay. Any question on this? So both USD JPY and CHF JPY are not ready to what? Come to us right now. Yeah, double up just means repeat your trade. Duplicate. Okay. That's what it means. So the moment this trade comes into negative, you're going to see this appear because I still have 1 hour test. But the moment it gets into less than, I will not be able to roll over. If you get less than 1 minute, you guys will see. All right. Oh, please get there. Let's see if I can use it to show them. Get there, get there, get there. All right. It's not going to get there. Okay. 15, 14. Okay. The moment you see, you're going to see, you guys watch this. You're going to see, it's touching 7. Okay. You can see rollover is there. So I can roll over if I want to right now. All right. So rollover, what does it mean? So it's below the time now. Can you see the moment it's below time, you can no more rollover. But rollover just means adding another 5 minutes. Okay. You say with double up, will it take effect from where you clicked, but we end at, yeah. So let's say I double up right now. It's not showing because now the market is less than 1 minute. Okay. If I click double up, it will just take present price where I clicked. It means I'm taking the trade where it is right now, but the same parameters as the previous. Does that make sense? So I believe I just made a decision to use this to just teach you guys. Okay. So I got my win. Come on, shut up your mouth. So this is another. All right. So it closed though. Let's see what these guys are gonna do. So I got my win. All right. So you guys are good people. There are some people, any test you do end up in negative. Any test, take it from anywhere. You know, but I've been doing tests with you guys. Yesterday clear, today clear. So you guys are good. Maybe I'll start using huge money to give you guys tests. All right. So any question on this, guys? That's about that for binary. So USD JPY is coming. I think both of them are approaching us. They will come down. Let's see. Stop. So both of them are coming. So now what do you do? What's the time? This is 46. It means, what does this really mean in trading? All right. It means this is starting a new reading of the sell. So you have to, the next reading is literally, all right, the next timing. So we only have one timing to take this trade right now. It's this is a very, very dangerous move. It's giving us a dangerous timing. It's giving us the option of technicals, and I don't like it. But you guys can play 1% anyway. If it closes here, all right, if it closes here, so CHF JPY, we're looking at the 925, but we're supposed to get this trade at timing. But right about now, it has started a timing sell. It started selling on timing. Okay. So it means it started another reading and it's a sell reading on timing. So if we interrupt the reading, we don't know if it's going to go our way, but we can just try. Let's see the strength at the close of this candle. Let's see. It's not CHF. CHF has gone down. All right. Let's check it again. CHF. What? I don't know if maybe this one has gone to see the doctor. So I don't know. It's not changing. It's just let's check. So CHF, JPY. Yeah, JPY is the last on here, but USD is stronger. So let's check. We just hope it has not gone to see the doctors. USD, JPY. Best part of trading is really patience, but that's the worst part for some people. Okay. That was very close. Okay, USD JPY is coming. Let me tweak USD JPY. Yeah, you. Where did I give you guys in USD? Wasn't it USD JPY that I analyzed? Okay. Where did I give you guys? This was it now, right? 289, right? This was where I gave to you guys, right? It's looking far or more. This guy is still in Jerusalem. It's very far. Very, very far. So maybe what's going to do is repetition around 456 area again. Okay. So guys, let's just watch out closely for this guy. Let's see if it's going to delay us. All right, let's see if we can catch it on timing. If we don't, I think we're done with binary. All right, so there's an alarm there. So Kendry, with all this knowledge you're putting on the table, if you guys want to throw in the, let me see, 1%, okay, this for the last 15 minutes has been selling. So 1%. All right. At the close of the candle, you can take a 1%. I feel I'm not going to take the trade. Or I'm going to just take it with something very, very light. If it gets there, it's closing right now. I feel I'm not going to take the trade, but I just see me wanting to take the trade. I don't know. Okay, so CHF JPY. All right, close of the candle, just 1%. Let's just, all right, I mean now, okay? I did my 1%, I didn't even do 1%, less than 1%, anyway. All right, so it's closed the candle, right? And I think it's still gonna go down, but it's not looking healthy. We still have 9 minutes to close the 15 minutes run, but anything can happen. So let's just think anything can happen. All right. But it's not really a healthy one. That's why I say reduce your risk. Let's see if it plays out for us. So the next beautiful trade is actually in 10 minutes, actually. But sometimes technicals can get a hold of you. So this is the close of the timing candle. All right. And let's see what happens. Maybe to do the repetition again, or it's going to go low. Okay. If it doesn't, either way, you don't get injured. You guys put your areas you got in. I think mine picked me at where is that? Is it 195? Okay, 950 something, I guess. 918, 909. Okay, mine is 919. Okay, so what's gonna happen is we're waiting for this trade. So it's either it repeats this area, so it's either we push it to timing. Okay, if we are on negative when it's below, all right, you could do a rollover. I just hope this trade doesn't delay to timing. Is that it? It seems this is it. Is this our payout? You know, there's some crazy candles that we just do like this, and the next thing you just see, just like somebody slap them from. Come on, go back. What's wrong with you? All right, but maybe that's not going to be the portion of this trade. Okay. I think these are payout moves. Let this thing not slap you. Come on. You better not allow this thing slap you. You see, all of these activities in trading, they play a role. All right. Okay. Okay. I like that now. I think I finally like this is payout. So you guys can put payout on the chat. Say, don't slap me. Don't slap me. No, don't slap me. Leave me. All right. No, Emilio. That's a beautiful one, right? Good. Not your turn. This is my own turn. So that's the payout idea. At least you guys waited and you got something, even if it's risky, even if it's small, 1%. All right. So I didn't even use 1%, but at least I was able to get like almost $50. So that should be able to take care of some of my bills for today. Not much. But I just wanted those to exercise our trade. It will take a very stupid. This is a slap right now. Can you see how this idiot right now is slapping this guy? But thank God he's far away from us. And we have 21 seconds to go. So you guys can do this dance, right? All right, this is dance. I remember something. Just that's why a lot of people are very, until the trade closed, that's when they will be happy. Because I remember live on screen, someone was happy. I won't mention the name, but something was happening. The happiness now changed to come on, don't. Oh my goodness. From happiness to, but no, what's that? Well, the trade closed in negative on live screen. And it was like, oh boy, dude. I've witnessed it several times. And when you're just happy, you're just looking at the trade. Emotions just start to, no. Trading is full with a lot of emotions. So that's a beautiful one. All right, so that's why a lot of people don't like being happy till the trade has closed. But just say, pay what? All right, it's not our portion for our happiness to be cut short. Okay, was that a beautiful session, guys? So for those of you that are new, because I know some of you are new, this is how we do what we do. All you need to do is copy and paste. All right. So how many of you copied and pasted and you made money right now? Put I made money in the chat. Put $signs on the chat. That's how it is. Okay. So from our discernment, so I discerned that the market may play this, and thank God it went our way, but it wasn't really, all right, based on our full technical blowout. Okay. This is how you leverage to make money. And just keep doing this for the next couple of months. What you're going to see is that what you came in with is a lot larger than what you started with. What you have is a lot larger than what you came in with over time. All right, over time. And if you apply yourself to the model we're using right now for you guys to get equity, one thing you're going to find out that is if you practice making money on leverage, even with the small you have, when you start making profit, sharing from the leverage, and you apply here, it's the same thing. Now you may be trading with $1,000, but it's going to come a time you're going to be trading in the tens, and it's the same result you're going to be having. Just stay consistent, stay believing. All right, I'm making thousands of dollars daily. I'm making tens of thousands of dollars daily. I'm making $1 million monthly. I'm so happy and grateful now that on or before February, all right, 2024, I'm a millionaire in this space. I hope you guys remember that affirmation. I hope all you kept it. already. So we're looking at this projection right now. This is 957. The trade may, I don't love repetition, but if this trade comes to the 890 area or below, you may do another, but this is not good for me right now. I'm not going to take it. All right. But if you feel like you want to 890 or below on timing, I will. All right. So this trade has been roller coasting. It will come by, buy operator, come, buy operator, come down, buy. So it's been repeating. So if it comes low, or just pick it up. Okay, but that is about what I have on let me see USDJPY. USDJPY never came down. So what I'm going to do right now is switch to higher time frame and show you guys. This market is going to buy. Why? Because it's a sell reading, and on the hourly, a new hour is going to open right now, and it's supposed to be a buy projection. If not, market is going to come to this next area, next ceiling to buy. Okay, so it's buying already. It's even buying before timing. It's stupid buy. Hey, family. So we had an analysis on gold yesterday. All right. It's a good thing we took it off the box because news happened and we don't know the direction of news. But let's just look at what is playing out right now. So, guys, watch this. So this was our projection on gold. All right. Gold broke the area. That's because this was a news candle, and you can see how full the news candle actually activated the retest. Okay, it actually almost activated the retest, but broke below, all right, and closed. So this wasn't a proper retest because our retest was supposed to stop around this region. Okay, but the candle closed, opened a new candle just to show people that, oh, but it was still on the momentum of the news. One thing I do see right about now, because this market has kind of entered into the syndrome of the consolidation. So that may happen. All right, that may happen. But if you really want to see some good projection, now is a breakout of this zone and a retest of this zone is going to be a bullish signal. So this was the effect of the news. All right, so if this market breaks out right now and retest, going to confirm, all right, that after the news we've revived. So you're going to take the market from here to here because here is going to sell. All right, here is going to sell because if we push the market down, this is around the 50%, it's going to sell. So if it breaks out, retest here, you guys can take a buy from here to here. All right, if it breaks and retest. So watch out for gold. Same analysis, same parameters. Okay, if it breaks here, retest here. Why? If this doesn't break this low right now, the market is still in an uptrend. Okay, so this is a low, this is a low. If this doesn't break this low, the market is going up. That's a formation that the market still wants to go up. So all you just need to do is take it, break, retest, wait. If it breaks, retest, boom. All right, but if it doesn't break, it holds, confirms, all right, and open a new candle, that is sell down. It means it needs this sell to break this floor. That's on gold. All right, that's my only watch out on gold right now. I'm watching out for this. So I can take this out of the way. The fear of gold is the beginning of wisdom. All right. So let me look at GBP JPY. Boom. How many of you were able to get this? So I gave you guys this projection. Ah, man, oh man, Kendry. Oh boy. Oh boy. This was beautiful. Who got this? This was the break of this consolidation. I said I was waiting out for this boy. It broke, it confirmed, and this should be, what are you saying? The boy did 50 pips. If it's not 50 pips, at least 30 pips if you close in 1 hour. 40 pips, what are you talking about? This is the break. This is the retest confirmed. This is the sell signal. You enter here, at least you did 30 pips. You saw it, but didn't get into the zone. Your relationship is not with the zone, it's the retest. As long as it touch any of the area, either the peak or inside, or as long as it touch, that's a retest. New candle opened, signal. Come on, that was a sell. So is this a 4-hour retest? Let's look. So let's see how this 4-hour candle closes. So another way to look at retest is this 4-hour candle is going to close in 1 hour. In another 1 hour time, okay, this, am I on 4 hours? This 4-hour candle is going to close. So if it closes below here, if it closes below this zone, it means if it gets to the zone and closes below this zone, all right, that's a 4-hour, another 4-hour retest. This is actually a 4-hour retest, but we've not gotten a 4-hour signal. So this is actually a 4-hour retest. It retested, but there's no signal on the 4-hour yet. It means this trade is not ready to swing. Okay. But if this trade closes as a red candle, that's a 4-hour signal. Okay. That's a 4-hour signal because this one is a retest. Right. But let's just watch it. Okay. If that does again, if it happens again, and it's a very, very beautiful. I told you guys now. Okay. What's going to happen is that it's going to create the other side of the shoulder, and it's almost doing it, right? So you guys watch out for this. Ouch. So if this 4-hour closes, man, that guy would have gone out. And if you're taking this kind of a trade where you put your stop loss, all right, it's either you use this or you use this. So it's either you're going to do a 30 pips or you're going to do over 100 pips for a 4-hour trade. If it closes a 4-hour red, this market is going to sell. It's a signal for swing. All right. I love to always take trades along the zone because I have that high potential. It's going to give me quick move because this is a floor right now. And this trade may just be bumping between this floor and this floor. So let's watch out for this. I hope you guys have the analysis. That is about that GJ and EU. I've given you guys a projection on GJ and EU and gold. So what EU just needs to do is either come here or come here. So just watch out for it. I've sent the signal, GBP, JPY. You guys also have it. I believe I sent it yesterday. All right, it's in the group. Me too, I saw, but did not take. Now I get. All right, it's okay. But you learn. That's the most important thing. With that being said, did we have a beautiful session today? If you guys missed the training yesterday, I'm going to copy it and send it right now. This training I gave you yesterday, you guys may not know the value of it, but that is the wealth of most traders in this environment. Different technical approach to trading. I'm putting it in the trading resource. That's yesterday's one. You want to learn, that training is a must watch. Oh, hold on. I've not saved. You guys want me to send today's on weather as well, right? The steps to binary charting. Binary with charting. Okay. That was our CHFGPY. You can see how alarm alerts you, but it's not binary. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask, but that's us. We're done today. I'm just giving you the recording. What's happening on Thursday? Did you say delete GBP JPY? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? I think we have too many trades on the fire waiting to be cooked. We end up missing a lot of juicy ones. How do we handle this? All right, that's a beautiful question. Okay, good. All right, so you're only taking one trade. What I do is that in all of my analysis, I don't know which analysis is going to come true. Okay. And you owe no analysis emotions. For whatsoever that comes true, that is what you take. And the moment you've exhausted your risk, forget all the other beautiful girls that are roaming around the street. The moment you're married, you're married. All right. Be a disciplined man or woman. Okay. The moment you put a ring on that finger, forget all the other beautiful fingers. They're not for you. Okay, that's discipline. What's really discipline? Discipline, there's no discipline without the face of adversary or challenge. Okay, how do you know you are a beautiful woman? Okay, you met a handsome guy and you made a decision to settle with that guy. All right, all of a sudden after the settlement, all that guys, handsome guys that even have beautiful, more stunning physique start approaching you. What's discipline? And what's integrity? Hey, I got a guy like you. May not be like you though, but in fact, I'm going to put pressure on that guy. You go to the gym. Start going to this gym. Yeah. Stay on that guy. Okay. Likewise, you guys. We guys were able to stay disciplined because we threw away our eye search. You know, when we were single, we have the eye search and standard we used to look at women. The moment we put a ring on the finger, we had to take our time to throw it away. We gave it to the Lord. Because you're the only one. Because if you throw it in the river, you may go swim in a stream and they'll flow it back to you. So you throw it, you give it to the Lord, take it to heaven. All right? So don't go throw it in the mountain or the wind may blow it back. One day you just be dreaming to come into your dream. But when you give it to the Lord, it's okay. All right? So forget, that's trading, that's discipline. You can't say, you know why I like using illustrations like this? Because that's plain man, and that affects every part of what I do. Is you can't say you're disciplined when you don't have temptations. Am I correct? If there's no temptation in front of you, you say you're a disciplined man. Go and sleep. All right, you're deceiving yourself. Likewise, trading. See, I know how to make money. Do you know why I'm disciplined? Okay, because I've been able to learn it's not about money. If it's about money, I know how to make money, but I don't make the money that is outside of my discipline. It's not currency when it's not in my discipline. Okay. I could tell you this trade is going to buy, but I'm not buying it. Why? It's not in my discipline. I respect my discipline because that is what I can give as a legacy. Okay. You could work on the discipline. You could read it as a book and you say, this works. But if I make money anyhow, you're not going to know how it worked for me. Am I making sense? I am a template. So I'm very careful not to make any money. Okay. In every part of my life. And I'm also telling you, you can't be, see, let me be very honest with you. You can't be very disciplined in trading and you're disciplined in life. And you are indisciplined in life. Your life will reflect. Trading is a reflection of you. So if you find yourself not being able to stay with a pair, but check your life. You guys know what I mean, right? You find it in your relationship. You find it in your communication. You find it, you are like the wind. You are like doctrine that goes. So all you need to do, don't attack trading. Settle your life. Okay. So trading is life. I trade my life. So it's when I see things happening, sometimes that's why when I'm emotionally down, it affects my trading. So I know how to stay away from the market. Okay. When I'm emotionally down, when I'm facing pressure, I stop trading. Why? It will tell me. USDJPY is going to tell me, hey, hello, you've abandoned me, you've done something to me with my emotions. Some of you can tell when you're down, when you're happy, the market just comes to you. When you're excited, the market just, but when you're down, when there are pressure, and do you know, sometimes I may think I am happy, I am okay, but I'm just trading and things are not going the way they should. Trading is a mirror to me. There's something I need to go find out. Yes, I need to go find maybe. So what I do, when things are happening like that, I check myself. Maybe my subconscious mind is processing something that is very tough right now. So what do? I get into affirmation, I get into prayer, all right? I go see a movie. I just make sure I get myself to my frequency. Then I come back. I don't begin to question something is wrong. What did I do wrong? No. So trading is a mirror. When you are hot, all right, you're hot. When you're cold, you're cool. Find a balance that reflects you in trading. If you don't respect it, you're never going to be the one that could sustain the wealth in this environment. All right. Trading is not about making money. It's about running your investment. So if you don't know how to protect your investment, you're in trouble. Have I been able to give you good advice today? All right. And you guys had fun, right? I'm a comedian in the making, but it's just that I didn't stand on. All right. I didn't stand on stage. I love comedy of life. All right. I don't make you happy. What's the fun of it? God bless you guys. Have a beautiful day.